What is going on, my boo? It is your girl Stacey Woo. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. What is going on, boo? Okay. Today, honey, you already know we're going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. I got some new products. We're going to do a nice, quick little spring beat, okay? I'm going to be starting off with priming the face, and we're going to be jumping in to my Mercier, the Pure Canvas. And I'm gonna just take this and put this over my face. I've already moisturized my face, okay? So that's why I ain't say nothing. I put the Hello Hydration on my face, okay? What's going on, boo? Y'all know I'm crazy as hell. I'm doing good. I love the way this Mercier primer does on foundation. Like, this joint really sticks. You dig me? So we're going to be trying a new foundation today. We're going to be trying this Morphe foundation. Now, this is a matte foundation. It's supposed to be a full coverage. Okay, sorry. This is supposed to be a full coverage foundation, and it is a matte foundation. This is in the color F4110. I hope this actually fits my face. I'm going to take just a little drop, and I'm just going to go like that. And I'm going to take a kabuki brush and see how that looks. I don't know, but that is definitely giving me a little neutral. I mean, it looks good though. Let's try this side. I mean, it ain't too bad. It's like a tad light. It's coverage. I'll tell you that. This is coverage. What you think? So next, I bought this new concealer from Morphe as well, called the Hide and Pink. Not Hide and Pink. It's called Hide and Peak. Peek-a-boo. I see you. Peak of Tawny. That's the color. Okay. Ooh, I'm loving the glide. I'm loving the glide. This like lays down the product so nice. Loving it. Ooh, yes. So next, we're going to be jumping into the Too Faced concealer in the color Butterscotch. I'm gonna try this and see what is this giving. You know, I thought Butterscotch would be a little lighter. And the thing about me and concealers, I love concealers that can like blend seamlessly together. You feel what I'm saying? This is blending crazy. Like, don't you know, no. That's how good it look. Good. Ooh. One thing about me, I love when my makeup is like looking real good. It just gives me like this transformation, like get it. I'm about to real quick bake. So we're going to be jumping into the Charlotte Tilbury, and this is in the color Tan. And I like to hurry up and do this because I crease so bad. And I just bake this all the way down. Yeah, I'll be looking crazy. You have to trust your process, because I know I'll probably look crazy right now, but trust your process, okay? Trust it, okay? So next, we're going to be jumping into the Bobbi Brown. Y'all already know I love the Bobbi Brown. This is in the color Espresso. I'm wearing a bang, so when I do a bang, I don't really need all of this up here. I'm gonna have a bang, you know? And lately, I just been taking like a brush, brushing it on. Just like that. I mean, I love a snatch nose. I can't get enough of a snatch nose. You know what I'm saying? A snatch nose, it does something to me. And now I'm gonna jump into this Cocoa Naughty. I told y'all this was gonna be a nice little fast beat. I ain't playing with y'all. We want real quick bake too, okay? So we're gonna be jumping into the Mercier. Patting that right over top. All on them lines. You see them lines? All right, so now we going to be letting this bake. Hold on, wait, I gotta snatch this nose. I forgot. Snatch the nose. That's how we do it, okay? I'm going to be jumping into my E4 Morphe brush. I love Morphe brushes. Number one, they're cost effective. They don't cost a lot, because a lot of brushes that I do buy, they do be a lot. Like my Sigma brushes, oh, they a little coin. Morphe brushes, they're so reasonable, but at the same time, they are really good blending brushes. Like, your makeup be seamless. Like, it's a MAC or a Sigma brush or a Hank and Henry, because you know Hank and Henry's even, that's what I need. I gotta get me some Hank and Henry's. All right, now I'm going to jump into Cocoa Naughty and I'm going to touch up this face. So now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into eyes really quick. And I'm going to just run past this real quick because I just want to do something very chill. I'm gonna just take this and put this over top because I'm gonna do color. I want to real quick jump into my Fenty Beauty. This is actually in the color 420, and I like using this color to just basically do the front part of my eye. Then I'm gonna just take that and blend that. I actually like the foundation. I think the foundation actually is my skin tone. I don't know, but it kind of gave me in the beginning that it wasn't. But like considering like my neck as well, that concealer, oh yeah, baby. Yeah, that's about to be in my routine, seriously. So now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into eyes. So we're going to be jumping into the Be Perfect Carnival palette by Stacey Marie. I love this palette. This palette is what artistry is just all about. The pigments, everything. Jumping into this Keen. And I'm gonna just take Keen and I'm gonna just use that as my transition shade. I actually have yellow in my collection, so. Yes, yellow, come on in and let me see what you're working with. So you know, I'm like, I play too much. Now since we have that down, I'm going to be jumping into this color right here, and it is called Lit. And tap that right over top. I also like this because I'm a packer. Like I pack on my shadow and this never gives me fallout, like never. And now since we have that down, I'm going to jump back into that same M14 brush. I'm actually going to be jumping into Shuffle, and I'm going to just blend in between, just giving like that spring sunset, sunrise, sunset. Remember that one, who saw Sex in the City? I know y'all saw Sex in the City, remember? I'm going to be using my e.l.f. black gel liner, this right here. I'm gonna jump right back into that Lit and lay that right at the bottom. Always have to have a corner eye, so I'm gonna take this little e.l.f. gold. I don't know what color this is, but this is like a little gold. I'm just gonna give myself a little inner corner. Alright, so now I'm gonna pop my lashes on. I already showed you guys my new technique in my last video. Make sure you check out my last video. But I'm about to throw some mascara on, pop my lashes, and then I'm gonna be right back, okay? Alright, so now we have these lashes down. We're going to be jumping into highlight. For highlight, we're going to be jumping into the Stacey Marie palette, and it's always the Over It, because honey, I be over it, okay? Give the girls what the girls need to be given. You know what I'm saying? Just give the girls what it want. Give the girls what it need. So we gonna get it all in there. We gonna give it to them real good. All right, next we're going to be jumping into the Mima Mitchell blush, and this is in the Mango Daiquiri. And we just gonna be taking some of this blush. You might as well keep it all orange, you know? And now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into the Tiana Teller, and this is in the color Good Morning. And this is like a cute little pink nude. And then I'm just going to take this Morphe, and this is in the color Chill, and lay that right over top. Now I'm going to be spraying with the Morphe setting spray. So boo, this is the final look. I've actually just got done a photo shoot, right? I'm sorry, but my nail came off. And I've actually had this makeup on for a couple of hours without any patting down or anything. I have been really busy trying to keep up with my YouTube and, you know, shoot content, because you guys know that I also have my brand with me and my husband, that is munjingwong.com. Spring stuff is on. That's what I got on, baby. Okay. But guys, I'm really trying to bring you guys a lot of content and new stuff. So please excuse this ending for being all over the place. But if you are feeling this spring glam, make sure you guys do not forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below, boo. Also, my boo, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell button. You do not want to miss my upcoming videos, because I am going to be consistently posting no matter what, okay? So thank you so much for watching this video. I love you so much. Don't forget to keep God first. You already know we do not play about God on this channel. You dig me? I love you, boo, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Peace.